स्पीकर सर, आयच्या डिमांडाक सपोर्ट करपाक हांव उबो रावल्लो आसा. स्पीकर सर, लायफ इज नॉट अ मॅटर ऑफ होल्डिंग गुड कार्ड्स बट of playing a poor hand well. Speaker sir, this statement holds good in case of our Chief Minister and Finance Minister, who despite of the reduction in the state finances, आताच आमचो honorable member Mr. Gudino उलयल्लो आहा की इतले आमकां त्रास जाले गेले 2 वर्सांक आमचे मायनिंग रेव्हेन्यू बंद जाले, स्टेट कॉफर्सान येवंक ना. बट स्टील our chief minister has given whatever is required. 40 जाण आमी आमदार हा. स्पीकर सर, उलोवपाक हिंगा येवन इजी लागता, पूण मॅनेज जे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान केला ऑल 40 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज, जे उतरां दिल्ली. स्पीकर सर, इलेक्शनाचे पयलीं उतरां दिल्ली, जे बजेटाचेर डिक्लेअर केल्ले, म्हाका दिसता 70% आयज पासून गोंयचे जनते कडेन हे वस्तू पावल्ल्यो आहा. स्पीकर सर, उलोवपाक काय न्हू की हे जावचें ना, हे जालें, हे आंकडे तुमी हे केल्या, हे आंकडे दाखयल्या पूण लोकां कडेन पावंक ना. स्पीकर सर, जे ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टरान मॅनेज केला ते म्हाका दिसता गोंयच्या लोकांनी, आख्खे इंडियेच्या लोकांनी पळयल्ले आहा. स्पीकर सर, to be a good finance minister, it requires a commitment, and yes, with an open heart, thoughtful mind, our chief minister and finance minister has committed himself to the policies and the promises he made to the people of Goa. Speaker sir, a dream you dream alone is only a dream. A dream you dream with all the 40 MLAs, the people of Goa, is a reality, and this reality our CM has dreamt for the people of Goa. Speaker sir, I am grateful to God for giving our small state a finance minister who has an appetite for innovation, confidence, and his abilities, intuition for the future of Goa. Speaker sir, much has been spoken about master plan for Panjim, master plan for Margaon under GSIDC. हांव इतलेच मागता. स्पीकर सर, कलंगूट जे आमचे आहा, कांदोलीम बागा, which is heart of Goa, म्हाका दिसता इतली वर्सां जाले, it has been neglected by the previous government. Honorable Chief Minister, in spite of financial difficulties, in spite of financial crisis, आमकां कितें तरी दिल्लें आहा. स्पीकर सर, काम स्टार्ट जाल्लें आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन. पण म्हाका इतलेंच मागपाचें आहा की हो जो मास्टर प्लॅन पेंजीम आनी मारगांव करता ते आमचे कलांगूट कांदोलीम बागान करपाची गरज आहा. स्पीकर सर, म्हाका दिसता चडशे ह्या हावजान बोल्ले ते MLAs, हांव कितें म्हणटा पळय तेजेर म्हाका दिसता they will say yes only for a reason that Speaker sir, it is the need of the hour that the Chief Minister looks at my constituency positively. Speaking on excise, Speaker sir, Chief Minister has given us whatever is required, that is relaxation in timings. Much was spoken that timings will be curtailed, but amka till 4 o'clock amka dille ha. Speaker sir, because looking at the coastal belt, looking at promotion of tourism, Speaker sir, पण म्हाका एक सांगूशे दिसता की खूबशे जे बार्स एंड रेस्टॉरंट्स आहा जे थिंगासोर फॉरेनर्स आर वर्किंग एज बारटेंडर्स. हांव मागता ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टराक की स्ट्रिक्ट इम्प्लिमेंटेशन करचे रूल्स that foreigners should be banned from working as bartenders in any of the bar and restaurants. Speaker sir, जे एक रूल काढलेले आहा, ड्रिंकिंग ऑन द बीच इज an offense. It has to be made a cognizable offense. But at the same time, बीच म्हणटकच जी सँडी एरिया असता, our Goan families go for picnics and they sit under the trees, that is coconut trees, wherever there is shady area. They bring their foods or whatever eatables and they sit over there. This rule should not be implied for them because they don't come on the beach and drink. This has to be taken care of. Speaker sir, making footpaths alcohol free zone. आम्ही पळयता की चडशे जे कर्नाटकाचे गाडयो और महाराष्ट्राचे गाडयो जे येतात, they just buy drinks and they go on drinking on a footpath and they just walk down. This has to be stopped and necessary fines has to be imposed on such type of people who are drinking on footpaths. Speaker sir, there is a need to slightly increase the timings of Honorable Digambar Kamatan उलयल्लो हा की increase the timings of liquor shops. It is restricted to 9 o'clock. I would request the Honorable Chief Minister to make it at least till 10 o'clock. आधी 11 वाजून आली ती 10 वाजून उक्ती दवरची म्हणून माझे मागणे हा. Speaker sir, speaking on commercial taxis.
Time सोपत आयलो तुझो.
एकूच मिनिट. Speaker sir, speaking on commercial taxis. Much has been spoken by a lot of members that we have to tighten the screws. Yes, 6 o'clock in the evening when the season starts in Kalangut coastal belt, a lot of people sit on the footpaths. They come from other states of India to sell their products and they are there for 6 months from 6 till 12 o'clock at night. Taxes has to be imposed on them because shops are paying the taxes and they sit outside the shops in a footpath area. They sell their items, very expensive items. I would say that all these establishments have to come under the tax banner. Speaker sir, entertainment tax
Yes.
for restaurants, especially nightclubs and pubs, जे 10% हा ते reduce करून म्हाका दिसता 5% चेर हाडपाची गरज हा. Honorable Chief Minister will look positively on tourism point of view. Speaker sir, thank you Speaker.